A very good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. Children, let's begin our day with a beautiful thought. That is, one kind word can change someone's entire day. So, be kind to all. Children, in our today's class, we will do spellwell words of lesson 3, bake a cake, and book exercise. Okay, so let's begin now. So, the first spellwell word is vanilla. Children, vanilla is a type of flavor or essence that is extracted from a flower. And our next word is strawberry. You can see in the picture, it is a kind of fruit. Also, strawberry flavor is given to different delicious food. Third is cake. You can see in the picture what is cake. Fourth word is together, which means jointly. And the next word is raisin. It is a dried grape. Also a kind of dry fruit. And the next word is mixture. From the picture itself you can understand a mixture is a substance that is made by mixing other substances together, and the next is added. In the lesson bake a cake, many ingredients were added to make the cake. So added, which means to put something together. And the next word is carefully, which means attentive. Next is perfect, which means completely or with no faults. And the next word is decorated. You can see in the picture cake is being decorated with the help of cherry and gems to make it look more beautiful. It means add something in order to make a thing more attractive, to look good. Now let us understand some difficult words meaning. So the first word is recipe. Which means method on how to prepare a dish. In the lesson bake a cake, Nida and Sifa both used recipe book to bake a cake. And now the next word is followed, which means acted according to. And the next is stirred, which means move the spoon round in order to mix properly. Next is delicious, which means tasty, something which is tasty or yummy. Food. Aroma, which means sweet smell. You can see in the picture the person is taking the sweet smell of cooked food. And the next part is page number 30. Answer the following questions. Why did Nida and Sifa wish to bake a cake? Yes, Nida and Sifa wished to bake a cake because they thought to surprise their parents. So the answer is to make their father's birthday special for him. Nida and Sifa wished to bake a cake. Next question is, name the different types of cake as mentioned in the lesson. So what were the types of cake that you got in the lesson? Yes, these are chocolate cake, vanilla cake, strawberry cake, carrot cake, walnut cake, and a raisin cake. And the next question is, which cake would you like to bake? And I want answer of this question from you all. So you will write your answer in the book. Also you can give answer in the comment. Okay? The last question is, what were the things required for baking a cake? The answer is 4 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups of sugar, and strawberry juice. Yes, these were the ingredients required for baking the cake in the lesson. So children, today we will keep up to this much, and next day we will solve grammar part. Children, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Thank you.